This recipe is a must to try. Do well to try it out and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out to be. In my bowl, I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of yeast. Then I'll mix this up with 1 cup of warm water. I'll stir this together and go in with 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'll also give this a good mix, and afterward I'll go in with my flour. I'll be adding the flour bit by bit. You can increase the quantity of the sugar if you so desire. The full recipe will be in the description. Do well to check it out. I will mix this with my spatula. I will then go in with 1 medium egg, and I will use my hands to mix everything together to form a dough. I would like to know where you're watching this video from. If you are a new viewer, thanks for stopping by. Adding egg is optional. You can substitute it with 1 over 8 cups of water. I'll mix this thoroughly, combine together. Then I'm going to transfer it to a working surface. Once it's in my working surface, I'm going to add 50 grams of margarine. You can add butter if you so desire. I will knead my dough properly till the butter has melted and every ingredient has incorporated in the dough. Then I will set my dough aside and cover and allow this to rise for about 20 to 30 minutes using my kitchen toy. And after 30 minutes, my dough have doubled in size. I will then give it a fix to deflate the air, and I will transfer this to my working surface. Then I will knead my dough very well. I'll be kneading this dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead your dough very well so that it will be easy for you to roll it out and for it to have a fine texture. I'll be kneading this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here is a shout out to my treasures in this channel. Number 1 goes to Everything Courage. I'm glad you love my teachings and my recipes. Thanks for the feedback. And number 2 is Summer Food Healthy Nutrition, Bossy Guy, and Beatrice. Thank you guys so much for dropping your thoughts and your reviews. You guys are my treasure fave. I would love to know where you are watching from, and also if you are going to be trying this recipe. So in my next video, I'll be sending you a treasure fave. I'll also be sending you a virtual or. So after I've rolled it out, this is how I'll be getting the shape. Once you slice to the end, you take it forward just like this in this video. Once I'm done slicing, I will roll it out to form those beautiful shapes. So this is how to slice out those shape. After I'm done slicing, I'm going to roll the bigger side of this dough to mix with the smaller part. Just watch how I'll be doing it. From the bigger part, I'll roll it down to the smaller part. If you want, you can use water to touch the edge of the dough so that it can stick properly to it. So this is what I achieved after rolling. I'm going to repeat this process again so you have more understanding. I'm rolling the dough from the bigger side down to the smaller side, just like this. Then I will set this aside. I will repeat the process for all the dough. Once I'm done with this, I will cover my dough for the second time and allow it to rise again. If you've watched to this point, that means you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to this channel. Always try to place them on a baking paper so that it will be easy for you to bake or fry. At this point, I'm going to bake this for about 40 minutes, and this is how it is. I use my pot to bake this. I baked in low heat and I was checking every 20 minutes to see if they are ready so that they will not get burnt. So this is it, guys. I hope you will give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.